refillable glass bottles that have come back to the factory. The cases continue toward a case washing machine. The dirty bottles head toward the bottle washing machine, where devices called cells line them up in rows of 16. Each bottle tilts and enters the washer neck first. Inside, a combination of powerful water jets and soap remove dirt and germs. Then water jets rinse off all traces of soap. As they exit, they pass in front of a neon inspection light. Workers pull any problem bottles off the line. Now the bottles head to the same bottling machine as before, only now it's been adjusted to fill each bottle with 300 milliliters of drink, in this case, orange soda. This factory takes a sample from each production run for quality control testing. The lab technicians check such things as the dilution ratio of syrup to water, the carbonization level, and the airtight seal. They also analyze the purity of the drink and container by running the sample through a paper filter. They put the filter into a petri dish containing the nutrients needed to grow microorganisms. Then they incubate at a precise temperature and observe if any bacteria grow. These glass bottles have old-fashioned bottle caps, not the twist caps the plastic bottles have. As each cap drops down onto a bottle, the machine squeezes it tightly, creating an airtight seal. Once the bottles are filled and capped, they go into shipping cases. A glider rocker combines the back and forth movement of a traditional rocking chair with the gliding motion of a swing. Parents often buy them to rock their infants to sleep or soothe them while feeding. Other models are designed for people who like to rock and glide while having a conversation, reading a book, or watching TV. Glider rockers come in a few different styles. Some are made of solid wood with a variety of cushions. Others have a metal frame that's partially or fully upholstered. The first step is to cut the dried wood to the required dimensions using laser and computer-guided saws. The species this factory uses for its wooden models are maple, oak, and ash, hardwoods known for their strength and durability. Then a computerized industrial router shaper forms tenons. A tenon is a projection on the end of one piece that fits into a cavity called a mortise on another piece. Another shaper profiles the seat frame pieces 4 at a time. Workers glue each tenon and mortise together by hand, then clamp the joint. Once the glue cures, these joints will be virtually indestructible. With the glue dry, the seat frame moves on to the next phase. Another automated router shaper gives it the final contour. Next, they smooth the surface of the wood using successively finer sandpapers. Now they bore a series of holes for attaching the armrest and back of the chair. Precision is critical here. They assemble those pieces in a custom-made assembly jig to ensure their exact position and angle before screwing them in place. Now they attach what's called the multi-position mechanism. This enables the glider rocker to lock in 6 different comfort positions. This part, called a trammel, controls the angle. Ball bearings located at the top and the bottom of the chair's arms are key to a smooth gliding motion. Secured solidly, they'll last a lifetime. Workers assemble the parts that make up the rocking gliding mechanism. Finally, they slide it under the seat frame and attach it to the multi-position mechanism. It's critical that the fit be precise for the chair to operate properly. Meanwhile, work is underway in the upholstery department. There are many different styles and colors of fabric available. Workers stack several layers of seat cover fabric for a given model in a pile to cut several in one shot. The pile lies on a textured rubber mat held steady by a vacuum press so it won't move while the computerized cutter does its work. After the pieces are cut, a seamstress sews the zippered seat cushions. Another vacuum press temporarily squashes the seat cushions, enabling workers to insert one in each cover. The cushion isn't a simple block of foam. Rather, it's a triple-decker sandwich composed of two different densities of foam glued together with a multi-layer polyester fiber. The fiber gives the cushion more depth and smoothness. The different foams maximize comfort and durability. The plastic wrapping has no structural role. It's merely part of the vacuum system. Relaxing in a glider rocker can be a very soothing experience. Picture yourself in front of the fireplace, legs resting on a gliding ottoman, relaxing your back after a long day, reading, listening to music, or just daydreaming. If you have any comments about the show, or if you'd like to suggest topics for future shows, drop us a line at www.howitismade.com.